Today's special episode is about brushing and keeping our teeth nice and clean. Hello. Oh, how nice of you to join me again. Hey, where's everyone going? Oh no. I wonder what's wrong. I think it's my bad breath. And all my friends are running away from me. And nobody wants to play with me. Aww, I think it's because I forgot to brush my teeth. What am I going to do? But I have an idea. Don't worry, friends. Let's open our magical portal and go visit our little adventure heroes. Are you ready to come down with me?
2, 1, let's go!
It's adventure time! Yay! Whoa! I made it! Oh, what a beautiful place! Can you help me find our little adventure heroes so they can help me brush my teeth because I have a bad breath? Let's go and find them and see if they can help me. Hey, adventure hero, can you please help me? All my friends back home are running away from me and don't want to play with me because I have a bad dragon breath.
Hi Sniffles, my name is Chocolate and I was about to brush my teeth. Come in, maybe we can brush together. Hi guys, my name is Tori, so let's brush our teeth together.
We brush to remove plaque and stay clean. Plaque is that icky stuff that stick to your teeth. Plaque is bad because it's full of nasty germs. Ew. And these germs can hurt your teeth by making holes called cavities. Plaque and cavities can make your teeth weaker. That's why it's super important to brush all plaque away every day. To keep a healthy teeth, we need to brush for 2 minutes every morning and for 2 minutes every night. Oh, clean toothy. Put a little dot of fluoride toothpaste on your brush. Open your mouth wide and start with the teeth in the back of your mouth and brush in little circles. Circles. And then work your way to the teeth in front of your mouth. Oh, and don't forget to brush your gums as well. Move the brush back and forth gently in short strokes. Then brush the top, front, and back side of each tooth. And when you're done, be sure to spit out all the toothpaste. And don't swallow the toothpaste, it will upset your tummy.
We love brushing. brushing.
Oh, there we go. Also remember, water is essential to all living things, and it's important to save water. And just by turning off the tap while you're brushing your teeth in the morning and before bedtime, you can save up to 8 gallons of water. So there you have it, our little adventure heroes. Saving water, it's not only good for nature, but for your toothy adventures too. It's adventure quiz time! Let's ask our adventure hero a few questions. If your toothbrush could talk, what do you think it will say to you every morning?
I say good morning, let's make those teeth sparkle.
If you were a superhero with super tooth cleaning power, what would your superhero name be?
Defender or little adventure hero.
If your toothbrush could travel anywhere in the world, where would it go?
Maybe it runs to visit the Tooth Fairy or explore the cavity-free mountains.
What would you say to encourage a friend who doesn't like brushing their teeth?
Brushing is fun. Let's keep our smiles happy and healthy together.
Wow! Isn't that amazing?
I love brushing. Bye, Sniffles. Bye, Sniffles. We love you, Sniffles. Bye, Sniffles.
Bye-bye! Bye, little adventure heroes! It's time for me to go back home to my friends and remember what we have learned. And brush, brush, brush! Yay! Brush, brush! Adventure heroes! Adventure heroes! Brush, brush! Adventure heroes! Adventure heroes! We love brushing our teeth twice a day. Sigeza amazinyo twice a day. Retlapa meno twice a day.
To destroy icky germs.
Every day, ihlanza matinyo twice a day. Usbosho tanda twice a day. We brush our teeth twice a day.
To destroy icky germs.
Every day. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can create more magical episodes like this.